Kiss's litter, and they are 2 weeks old, and their eyes are open. This is a little boy. He's a long coat. He's getting real fluffy. This right here is a little girl. Where are you, little girl? She is beautiful. A nice head, and she has beautiful spots. She's a black merle, and this is her sister. This is the one I'm thinking about keeping. She has a little bit of white on her. She has pretty spots too. This is wow. This is a wow dog right here. This is a beautiful, beautiful little boy. Look at this markings on his face. Oh my goodness. He is just gorgeous. Check out his back. Whew. He is a beautiful dog. And this one, he feels like he's just silky, and he's getting long fluffy hair, and he is just gorgeous too. He is a cream merle. I call him Vanilla. It kind of fits him. But they're 2 weeks old, and Kiss is the mother. She's chocolate. I think the coloring on these puppies are exceptional, and they'll be litter box trained, and they're one of a kind. You won't find another dog colored colored exactly like them. These little merles, they're just like a work of art. Each one's different. This is the little girl. I call her Little Star because she reminds me of her grandma. Her name is Star. They're gorgeous.